Fats or oils are essentials in dough making. For me, olive oil is the ideal fat for pizza dough, but you can also use vegetable and seed oils. What is the role of fat in dough? First, it acts like a lubricant in the dough, creating a thin layer of fat substance between the molecules of the starches and the proteins. This helps with the dough's stickability and volume. Fats also increase the shelf life of any baked product, increase nutritional value, and flavor quality, and retain moisture in a product when reheating. They slow the yeast activity by isolating the yeast cells, making water not available for the yeast to feed on. If making dough with fats, you will need to increase the amount of yeast compared to a recipe without fats. That's why it's always good practice to add fats to the dough at the end of the mixing process. For more information on oils and fats, feel free to download our Oils and Fats Guide.